In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to save battery life in iOS 26. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now navigate to the option General. Head over to the option Background App Refresh. Now switch it off. When this setting is enabled, apps run constantly in the background, using your processor and data even when you are not using them. Next, go to Display and Brightness. Head over to the option Always On Display. Turn this feature off. This feature keeps parts of your screen active even when the phone is locked, and it can use a surprising amount of power. Next up, head back to the main page of settings. Now head over to the option Battery. Here you can see which apps are consuming the most energy. Tap Power Mode and enable Adaptive Power. This automatically reduces background activity based on how you use your phone. You can also turn on Low Power Mode, which reduces performance, background tasks, refresh rate, and other non-essential functions so your battery lasts longer throughout the day. Next, adjust your mail fetch settings. For that, go to Mails, Accounts, Fetch New Data. If it's set to push, your phone checks for a new mail constantly, using battery every minute. Switch push off and change your fetch schedule to manual so your phone only checks for new mail when you open the mail app. After applying these settings, your iPhone should immediately start using less battery. And for the final tip, scroll to the bottom of settings and tap shutdown. Powering off your iPhone occasionally helps clear temporary issues and make your device run smoother with better battery optimization once started. And that's it. This way you can save battery life in iOS 26. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.